guys, welcome back. Nice to see you again. I came to my local lake to fish for carp today. I set up my bivvy, just getting my gear ready. Lake looking nice. I've seen quite a few fish jumping out of water already, so it should be a nice day. Sunny, not too cold. I'll just get my gear ready and I'll see you in a minute. Okay guys, I'm ready to start fishing now. I got my 2 feeder rods on me with the method feeders. I'll just put a small pellet on a bait band. And put it on the hook. Just like that. Yep, looking nice. Okay, then I got some PVA mesh bags. I'll just clip it on the line. Then I got my beautiful green pellets. Just mix them up. I added some thick sensate fish accelerant. It was advertised as a very good thing. Okay. I'll add some sensate, just a drop on my hook pellet. Then I'll add some more pellets. And then just get the feeder in there. Okay guys, looking nice, beautiful. Just have a look guys. I put a method feeder with a PVA mesh bag full of pellets. Let's get it out. One rod out. Let's do another one. Yes guys, beautiful. Got another one ready. Same thing on there. Line just snapped. Don't know what happened, but I lost the feeder, the hook, and everything else. And one carp just jumped out over there. Wow, the carp just keep jumping out of the water. No what's happening with them, but they're so active and lively. Let's hope they are feeding. Okay, getting no bites yet. Let's recast. Okay, let's get this out. Okay, both my rods out again. Let's hope this time be lucky. I'm just casting by the island there. Okay guys, I think it's time for lunch now. I'm getting hungry and cold. Fish not biting. I think let's have some food. I got some nice organic chicken drumsticks. I'll just add some salt. Okay, we'll just leave it for a little while for the salt to get in the chicken. Okay, I'll get my cooker out. There's my pan. Okay guys, I'm ready to start cooking. Just add some oil in my pan. I'll add the chicken. Yes, looking nice. I got beautiful 3 chicken drumsticks. I'll just cook them on the pan. And I got some potatoes, carrots, garlic, and that's about it. Okay, I'll just add my potatoes. Yes, cooking nice. I think I'll just go recast my rods. Wow, so warm in here. Unbelievable. Chicken's cooking nice. Okay guys, have a look. What a lovely chicken, potato and carrot lunch. Let's just give it a go. Beautiful chicken. Wow, so nice. And so hot. Amazing, guys. I think the food always tastes better by the lake or by the river when you're outside. It's always much better. Yeah, this time I'll give it 9.5 out of 10. It's almost perfect, but could be better. Just a little bit chewy, but very nice. Okay guys, I'll just finish the food off and I need to get back to fishing. Had my lunch, it was very nice. Now let's go do some fishing. Alright guys, I'm fishing here all day. It's a little bit chilly. I'm getting no bites at all today. I don't know what's going on. It's getting to winter now, so fish is not biting as much. So yeah, not sure. Maybe need to change tactics. Maybe need to go predator fishing or do something else. No fish, no bites. Very quiet today.